I have two of these. They go in the front of the house. They flank the beginning of our walkway. If you watched any of our videos, it's the area with just expanded flower beds. So I think they look grungy, so I'm going to paint them. I'm going to try and spray paint them today. I got my handy N95 COVID mask so I don't get COVID, and we'll just see how it goes. I don't think I've done this before, so we're going to see how it works out. Little confession to make. That mask was not to not catch COVID. That was just kind of a joke. Hopefully it didn't offend any of you. That mask, that wasn't any good because the fumes still come through it. And I really don't want to be stoned the rest of the day. So I got me a R95. This is supposed to help with fumes. Had a couple of these that I bought the other day when I was painting. Hadn't used one yet. So it's pretty hot out here too. It's probably 85 and humid. It's overcast, but it's humid. These masks are tough, but again, I don't want to be high all day. I got a bunch of work I want to get done, so bear with me. I'm off. I think they're going to turn out great once we fill them with plants. It'll be a cool little entrance to the walkway up that new flower bed. Yeah, this bucket over here and this one over there are going somewhere else. This one I thought we had two of, but we don't. So I'm gonna put that somewhere else. We're gonna use these. We had these last year. They were black. I just painted them, as you saw in that other video. So it's supposed to rain tonight or tomorrow, so I'm gonna wait till the rain passes and then I'm gonna plant. I'm gonna fill them with a thriller, a filler, and a spiller.